Morning, everybody. Happy day 84 of day trading the market open with a small account. Day 3 in Mexico. So let's see what today brings us. MTCR. How about MTCR yesterday? That thing had a day. MTCR. Or is it? Yeah, MCTR. Thing got up to 56 bucks. And our trade price yesterday was at $8. Oh, that's so funny. That's so funny. Got up to $15, 25. Short squeeze, very nice short squeeze, but now it's too pricey. Now we can't trade it. MVCG, MCIG. What am I? Can't talk today. What are we gonna trade? Ooh, BON looks decent. Maybe a little breakout trade action here. 226. TGL. Yep. TGL looks decent. I don't think this order window is still going to work. I guess I could try it on like a really, really small penny stock. I don't know what penny stock that would be. What's the test? What's the test? What's the test? What's the test ticker? The test NASDAQ ticker. Shoot, I forgot it. Oh well. I'll figure out a small stock to try it on. If not, I'll just have to keep flicking back and forth with this window here. All right. STSS looks interesting. Lower band at 553. Let's get our share prices locked down. Let's figure out how much CHED to use. Alright, we got 2 minutes until the open. Things I want to see. I want to see a panic flush on TGL down to 185. That'll allow me to hold it a little bit longer. It's 15% back to VWAP, and right now that flush would be about 8%. In BON, we got to get rid of some of these old drawings up here. BON, I want to see if this thing breaks VWAP. It looks like it's kind of building pressure up towards it, but it's done that before as well. With the EMA kind of faking out. So I want to see this break VWAP, and I want to see it hold. Since this is testing it for the third time, so in theory this should get through. We have some range up here from 226 to 257, so that's nice. 15% back to highs, and that's kind of what we're gonna watch today. We got 1 minute until the open. And let's see what today brings us. Waking up an extra hour earlier to trade in Mexico is absolutely criminal. All right, we gotta make sure this thing clears 223 TGL if that decides to go. Do we have anything on penny stock land that I can test this shares out with? BAOS. Let's try BAOS. BAOS. That's not a penny stock. That's up 80-something percent. Oh, this thing might lower band at the open. Already got one rolled up in my left hand. That's the bell, folks. Smells like gasoline. Strange. It's probably not great. BAOS. This one I said probably lower band. Got close. Didn't get right on it. Let's focus on TGL though. TGL and BON. BON, nothing really happening. TGL. $200-day moving average here, right about 2 for BON. Daily candles. Oh, interesting. Interesting daily candle for BON. Let's check TGL. Red candle, TGL. Alright, let's see if this thing comes down. Looking at 184 now. Yep. Yep, and my white tee. Yep, and my white tee. Automatic sell, took half off. Very nice. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. 190, we'll take the rest off. Actually, no. We already got half. We already raked half in the bank, so let's just wait. See what TGL does today. Nope, maybe not. Let's jump. Alright. Very nice on the pop. Very nice on the pop. So what do we end up getting? About $50 profit. Let's go day 3 in Mexico success, and that is actually, well, let's see if that's all she has. Guess I could try these hotkeys again. Already got. Let's try this hotkey if it comes back down. 82. Beautiful bounce. Beautiful bounce. That is what we're talking about. And I used this order window here this time of sales again because I was afraid that these weren't going to work from yesterday. So if you're reviewing, watching this video, watching the tape, or watching the level 2 during that time, of course, as well. I guess it was the same window, but I executed it on the one on the left. Alright, see if it gets over 2, and I'm going to try this hotkey again with small share size just to see if it works. 199, 198, 94, 93, 94. 699, there's 2. Nope, didn't work, so didn't think it was gonna work, so that's good to know. Anyways, I'm out. Quick day, $50 profit. Spread love, be good to each other. Drop a comment, drop a like, let me guys know how y'all did. And yeah, a little over $50 in profit. Quick video today, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace. I guess I can recap it. You guys want me to recap it? So real quick recap. Quick. This was kind of in no man's land here underneath VWAP. So there's only kind of 2 options with these stocks that are moving we're having a lot of volume, it's either buyer's going to push it up to VWAP or seller's going to throw it back down to kind of this lower band. At least that's my theory, right? So we took this panic flush down to this lower band and it bounced, and the automatic sell took half off. We were going to try to hold it and then just kind of, you know, hopefully at some point during this morning it would get back to VWAP and then push through VWAP. But this second candle ended up being a little grosser than we thought, so we ended up cutting the whole position at close to break even on the first entry. But that's it. That is it for me. Actually, you know what? Maybe, okay. I was going to say, if this comes down to 180, I'd take another crack at it, but that's it for me. I'm out of here. Peace.